girl knows that to be beautiful, you have to suffer. We don't want you to suffer anymore. Watch our new beauty hacks for quick and easy makeup. Do you think your standard eyeshadow palette is too plain and boring? Do you want to add bold colors? Oh, I've got an idea! Makeup pencils! Make white dots using a red lip liner pencil. If you heat the pencil over a flame, the color will be more saturated. Add white dots and purple ones. Continue experimenting with the colors. It's great fun to make the polka dot eyelid pattern. Don't forget the other lid. Apply mascara to your lashes. Quite good, but not enough. I know what to do. Apply clear gloss to the mascara wand. Add eyeshadow. Apply it to your bottom lashes. Draw a short wing line from your outer corner to create a cat eye effect. It's a perfect choice for a summer party. It looks marvelous. Your colorful makeup is so eye-catching, it'll leave no one untouched. What should I do to take a cool selfie? I know what! Liner pencils. Take 4 colors, pink, blue, red, and purple. We'll make a glowing galaxy pattern on your lips. Apply purple liner to your bottom lip corners. Then, add blue. Use the same color for the center of your upper lip. Add a bit of pink. You can apply it on top of another color. When mixed, the colors get a smooth transition effect. Add purple again. The foundation is ready. Tap the lips with your finger to smooth the color. Apply clear lip gloss. Now it's much better. What a sweet lollipop! And what if? I've got another cool idea. Apply your usual lipstick. Add a clear gloss coat. Make it sweet. Use sugar on a brush. Cover your lips with sweet crystals. Great! The lips look snowy. It's the sweetest lip makeup idea. Are you out of your mascara? Don't rush to a store. Let it be your next DIY project. We'll need activated charcoal pills and almond oil. Any other essential oil will also do. We should grind the pills. Place them on a piece of plastic. Cover on top. Hammer to crush. Transfer the ground charcoal to a cup for mixing. Add a few drops of glycerin to make it thinner and half a teaspoon of almond oil. Then add the same quantity of melted beeswax. Stir well before use. Apply the DIY mascara with a toothbrush. You can use a clear brow brush. Pretty good. Besides, the natural product is friendly for your lashes. How to make perfect cat eyes quickly and easily. Use a stencil. Cut out such a simple paper stencil. Press the stencil against your lid. Apply the eyeliner. Finally, we managed to make a perfect cat eye. And a pair of cat eyes. You can use this trendy makeup for your everyday look or for an evening outing. What else have we forgotten? Oh, blush! Take clear EOS lip balm. Transfer it to a cup for mixing. Take crimson lipstick and burgundy lip gloss. Put them together. Melt the ingredients in a microwave for 15 seconds. You can do it in a double boiler as well. Mix well. Take apart an empty EOS container. You can use the one we took the balm out of. Twist the middle into the cap. Pour the liquid blush in the cap. Put it in the fridge for an hour. Wow! We've got a practical beauty product. You can use it both as blush and lip gloss. What a wonderful scent! My friends will be envious.
There are so many lipsticks in this world. How am I supposed to choose a color that looks good on me? You can apply all the lipstick colors at the same time, but I will look like a clown with a hangover. This is not the effect I wanted. It's great that I've got a hand that can be turned into a canvas. Well, what do you think about that? But Redhead knows a quick method to check if a lipstick looks good on you. Screw out the lipstick and put it near your lips with your hand stretched out slightly. Look into the mirror and check it out. If there is no mirror, ask your friend to give you an honest opinion. In this way, you will definitely choose the perfect color for yourself, and there is no need to turn your hand into a canvas. Dolly has something to brag about too. Her lipstick and lip gloss palette won first place at the Golden Palm Brush Contest. Dolly designed this palette specially for Redhead. Take an empty eyeshadow palette and washable face paint sticks. Pour in some coconut oil. Cut up a white lip liner and add it. Melt the mixture in a double boiler and mix it. Chop face paint sticks and melt them in a double boiler too, and add the mixture of coconut oil and lip liner to it. Make mixtures of different colors. Pour them into the palette. In order to make a lip gloss, we add some highlighter and coconut oil to the white mixture. Mix it with the melted face paints and pour it into the cells. Redhead applies her friend's present. This shade looks great on her. It's great to have your own personal manufacturer of your favorite lipstick. Redhead comes to a meeting, but all that Dolly can think about is her friend's imperfect brow shape. Well, apparently Redhead forgot to define her eyebrows. It's great that Dolly has got a new invention. It's an eyebrow pen with a brush. Cut the tip off an eyebrow pen. Make 4 cuts with a utility knife so that you get 3 bristles. Use tweezers to take away the excess. It's a brilliant eyebrow invention. I define my brow using this super brush without any problems. It's so nice when you have such a handy thing on hand. And Dolly has problems of her own. You can't see her eyebrows under her bangs. She wants her eyebrows to stand out. How should she do it? Redhead knows a way out. It's an eyebrow pomade. Sharpen brown and black eyebrow pencils into a container. Add some loose powder and cut a wax brow pencil. Mix it and melt it over hot water. Pour the mixture into an empty container using a spatula. Then, heat the mixture up with a hairdryer so that it spreads out evenly. Dolly applies the pomade to her eyebrows with a brush. At last, they emerged from the shadows. Now my eyebrows will stand out no matter how long my bangs are.
Use this hack to make your lips look fuller. We'll need concealer and a thick brush. Put concealer on the brush and apply it around your lips. Use it before putting on bright lipstick. In this case, it'll be an eye-catching comic book makeup for a themed party or a photo shoot. Shade your lips white. Outline them with a blue pencil. Make a blue central line on each lip. Define your lips with a black pencil. Draw the inner lines. Accent the central line with black eyeliner. Take a hot pink lipstick, but don't use it for your lips. Put it on your eyebrows. Blend it with a brush. Let's experiment further. Define your brows with a black pencil. Get a trendy full brow look. Make it the envy of Cara Delevingne. If we started using the black pencil, let's add more sharp accents with it. Draw a line down the middle of your nose from your eyebrow down to the tip of your nose. Outline your cheekbones and your philtrum. Draw a line from your bottom lip across your chin and finish it along the jawbone on one side of your face. Take a light green and a blue pencil. Shade your upper lid green. Outline your lower lid with blue. Define your neck area to make your image complete. Outline your collarbones. Draw a line along the center of your neck and 2 short lines on its sides. How do you like your comic book look? Your friends will be impressed to see you at a themed party. Make cool selfies and get lots of likes on Instagram. Busy with her makeup, my friend's forgotten that we are in a hurry. But what about her lashes? She'd better put on mascara. We can't use any of her mascaras. They dried out long ago. My grandma might have used them. I know how to revive the mascara. We need life-giving water. Don't have it? Take micellar water instead. It'll do. Pour micellar water into the dried mascara. Add a few drops and mix well using a brush. If you're out of makeup remover, use another life hack. Suck mineral water into a syringe. Eject a few drops into the tube. Mix well. Mineral water will bring your old mascara back to life. The reanimation's been a success. Now you can use your mascara a few more times. My friend quickly applies her mascara. Her eye makeup is on. Unfortunately, we faced another problem. This time, her favorite eyeliner is dried up. What an awful day today! Keep your hair on! After all, we've just saved your mascara. I think I've got the solution. We need a thin brush and mascara. Take some mascara on the brush and draw a line as if with the eyeliner. Perfect! I'll never steer you wrong. What's happened to my friend? She's put too much makeup on her face. Her eye and lip makeup is way too bright. We need to do something with it immediately. Remove the excess makeup and keep in mind the main makeup rule. Always keep a sense of proportion and put the right accents in your makeup. If you do eye-catching lips, then you shouldn't emphasize your eyes. And vice versa. If you want your eyes bright, don't stress your lips. Accentuate either your lips or your eyes. And if you mix up everything, you might get a carnival mask but not sophisticated makeup. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new useful videos on the Troom channel.